What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back up in this thing with another one, baby. And today, man, we had to get this one out to y'all, man, quick, fast, and in a hurry, because you know it is the night before Fear God's Eve, and your boy Q the Flu got to see the black and white colorway, up close and personal at RSVP Chicago. I also got a chance to look at some of those clothing, man. I want to give y'all some montage to look at all the pieces in the collection dropping tomorrow. Also kind of show off, the prices that you all know what's going on with that thing, man. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure, you comment in the section, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about the video. Any feedback is good, And we're going to keep it rocking just like that. Let's get it, gang.
Started up my day like this. Chase the money, chase the money, chase the money. Started up my day like this. Started up my day the best. Fucking on my host the best. Started up my day the best. Thick hoes in my coupe today. Yeah. Big vert, no top, no way. Yeah. Sip serve, that's twice a fold. Today, and yesterday. Switch rides, photo, switch lanes, dodge potholes. Okay. My bitch is bad, above average. Always. Yeah. Started up my day like this.
Yo, so we back up in this thing, man. I hope y'all enjoyed, the brief little montage of the video, man. Curated by Limitless, man. They kind of do all the Nike, Jordan brand events in the city. They always do great work. So, man, shout out to them for, really creating that Jerry Lorenzo Fear God feel, man. Inside of, a retail space, man. It was pretty dope, man. But first things first, we got to see the shoe in hand. And no different than what I said in, the kind of, video, the vlog that I kind of did a couple of days ago. I'll put that link somewhere in the video. I think that shoe is fire. We haven't seen suede or leather, that buttery kind of used on any Nike branded shoe. I mean, the last type of kind of material that I can even compare to it is 02 Raptor 7 quality leather on that suede on that thing, man. And it is just so nice to the touch, man. The 3M is very vibrant on the toe cap of that thing, man. I really love the shoe, man. It's not as heavy, it isn't as bulky in hand as I thought it would be, which is a very good, kind of, feel and, look to the shoe. And I think it's partly in large part to the mesh that's kind of used. Very premium materials throughout, as you can kind of, I hope you can kind of pick up through the kind of show off of the shoe, the kind of, footage of the shoe. Really dope shoe, man. I gotta have that shoe tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? You make your decision. You rock what's best for you. It's definitely a winner and a go in my opinion. Now let's get to the clothes. Yo, I'm a big boy. We rep for the big boy gang. I'm fly. We definitely flee. You know what I'm saying? But I am a bigger guy. And with the Fear God line, it's usually cut. Although oversized, the cut of it is usually still in that skinny boy, European style cut. No discrimination. Shout out to Skinny Boy Gang out there. Y'all winning out here, baby. You know what I'm saying? But I can't typically I can't fit into those styles of clothes, the Balmain, the Fear of God, things of that nature, especially not the pants. I don't know, man. I think, with the Nike, of course they're gonna cater a little bit to, kind of regular athletic kind of builds and sizes. But I mean, still kind of, they didn't really divert too much away from that cut and that feel of a Fear of God line. which, you know, fans of the actual brand are probably going to be very, very happy with. But I don't know how that's gonna fare with, you know, the bigger guys that are really hoping for Nike to come through with the sizes and really cater to, you know, all body types and all shapes, man. So it's still looking like it's probably gonna run a little small. It's gonna fit in that way. So unfortunately, you know, definitely make sure you're trying these clothes on before you, you know, go ahead and make the purchases. Because getting to the third thing, yo, if you didn't see in the montage video, the prices for some of these clothes are, you know, are just out of there, you know, for a Nike co-branded, you know, clothing. You know what I'm saying? We got prices ranging from $40, which is the cap, you know, very, you know, kind of affordable, definitely what you would expect it to be, to all the way up to $250. You know, and I think the shirt was even $275. Y'all can cross-reference it in the B-roll. But yo, clothes are definitely hidden, definitely expensive. And I can't see a lot of resellers being out there camping out for the clothing tonight. It'll be interesting to see what the market look like for that tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But definitely got to be in your bag and have a bag, you know, to really be purchasing those clothes. Which, for me, cool. Fear God, Nike branded. You know, hype beasts are probably gonna rejoice. But a little bit too plain for me, you know, to really justify spending that kind of money, man. But you know, you got it. Go ahead, man. It's for you. It's for you. Your boy Q the Flu. We probably gonna have to fall back on that one. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, cool, dope. You know, kind of cool clothing brand, man. Probably not gonna be for me. Probably definitely looking to at least copping the hat and shoes if I, you know, if I can touch, if I can get my hands on it. And again, man, it's gonna be interesting to see those resale prices tomorrow, man. But y'all let me know in that comment box how y'all feel about the clothes. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think about those prices. You know, we liking it. We thinking, you know, they tripping. You know what I'm saying? We Drake and Kanye. I know they ain't got nothing to do with anything, but I thought I'd throw that up in there. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely wanted to get this video out to y'all tonight, man. Again, first time through to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video if you like the video. And holla at your boy in that comment section. You know what I'm saying? As always, it's your boy Q the Flu. Q the Influencer. Good luck to everybody going after those fear gods in the morning, tomorrow. Many blessings to y'all. You already know how we rocking over here at Flu Gang TV. Gang, 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 gang.